Okay, this step is pretty simple. We're just going to create an ad account that we're going to use with our business manager account, and we need this to advertise all our stuff, all our Facebook ads. So you just go to Add New, and then you go to Add Accounts. I've already created mine, but I'll show you how I did it. And then I'd just call this like Necklace Blueprint because that's what I'm going to be using this for. I would select my company and then my time zone, set your time zone, set your currency. There's no payment methods, and then you just click on Create Ad Account, and then it'll go back to this screen and it'll show you it right there. So I'm going to cancel that because I don't need this. I've already got an ad account with them, but this ad account is right here. And then when you come into business.facebook.com, you come to this main page, you can click on your ad account, and it'll show you this. And you'll see that it looks pretty much like the ads manager that you see right in your personal account too. So everything's very much the same. You can create campaigns in here. You can do your account settings. You can do your pixels and everything, audiences, all that good stuff is in here. All right. So if you don't have an ad account created yet, go in and create one, and you can call it whatever you want. You could call it necklace campaigns, or I don't know, whatever you want to do. It's just it's an ad account that you can use that's dedicated to whatever you're doing with your business. So I like to do this whenever I create training. It's nice because I can show you from the start how I do it, and it's basically a brand new ad account right in Facebook. So if you don't have one, go do it. If you haven't done it yet, go do it now.